Newark, Delaware.
Please help me. Just call 911.
Okay, I'll call 911.
No, do not call 911. Please stop. I need help. That's why please not call. Okay, bye. I'm leaving.
We'll circle back to this one later in the video. San Francisco, California.
Hey, give me that! Hey, give me that!
Like, if you're home, why not grab it before someone else does? Linden, New Jersey. This one's a tough lesson. Homeowner pulls up, leaves the car running, runs inside for a second, and just like that, someone across the street was already waiting. Guy runs up, jumps in, and takes the car right in front of him. What would you do in that situation? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, never leave your car running and unattended. Not even for a minute. Brooklyn, New York. Check this out. Instant Karma, Porch Pirate Edition.
Put that back! Put it back right now!
Come on, man.
Get out of here.
There's got to be better things to do than this. New Orleans, Louisiana. Let's call this one Midnight Cat Food Hustler.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm sorry, it's late. I know. I got a cat food.
Cat food?
Yes, ma'am.
You're selling cat food
Yes, ma'am.
at midnight?
Oh, it's midnight. I don't know what time is it. You
Okay.
just told me.
Please don't ring the bell this late at night, okay?
Okay, I wouldn't. I'm sorry. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like, sir, if you're trying to grow your business, maybe don't do sales pitches at midnight looking like you just came from another planet. Newark, Delaware. This one's honestly concerning for any homeowner. No warning, no reason, just damage and gone. Rego Park, New York, 1:29 a.m.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
This guy shows up angry, banging on the door, demanding the homeowner's husband come outside, claiming something happened with his wife.
I do not give who you call and send your husband out here now. Send your husband out here. Send your husband out here now. What are you talking about? He said, I'm not going to approach my wife. Send him out here now. I'm not doing it in your country. He said, I'm not going to approach my wife. Send him out here now. What's wrong?
So what do y'all think? Misunderstanding or something more going on here? Newark, Delaware, after midnight. And oh, you're gonna love this one. This guy pulls up thinking he's about to steal a chair. Nice and easy. But yeah, plot twist.
Yo, put down. Richard, they're at the door. Put that down.
He gets caught red-handed.
Now, put the chair down. Police are on the way. Don't touch my turtle.
Newark, Delaware.
That's my house, right?
Huh?
Isn't that my name on the mailbox? That's my house, right?
Sometimes.
Yeah. This game.
Yeah. Hang on 1 minute. I gotta get my dad.
This guy follows the homeowner's daughter all the way from the mall to her house. St. Albans, New York. Oh, you're gonna love this one. Let's call her Porch Pirate Barbie. She pulls up, takes her sweet time grabbing the package, thinking it's an easy win. But yeah, spoiler alert, she's about to get caught red-handed, and when she does, oh man, the excuses start rolling in. If you're enjoying the video, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps support the channel.
Hello! Where you going? Huh?
I called Farmingdale. I was going to the top right here. My friend said she asked me to pick it up for her. But it's, I apologize. I put it up here. let me call the police. You can call the police, ma'am. I'm going to call the police now. Okay, do like that. I don't pay. I don't steal. You're too damn thief. There's nothing in here to steal, so I don't steal. Then I call the police for you. I went to the wrong house. I went to when you talking about. I don't steal. I have nothing. I'm going to call the police, so why you take it up and going away with it? Because I thought I had to. No! That's not fair. That's ma'am, I have nothing in my car.
Like, ma'am, nobody's buying that story.
I have no problem with you doing that.
Bradenton, Florida, folks, this is exactly why I keep saying it. Lock your car doors, even in your own driveway or carport, because all it takes is one moment and someone's already inside. St. Paul Park, Minnesota. This one escalates way too fast. Couple walks into the yard without permission.
Excuse you?
Someone, listen, somebody threw something over. I figured you were sleeping. Somebody threw my purse over the fence, and I didn't want to wake you guys up.
It's on the other side.
And it's right over on the other side. I swear to God. I swear to God, I didn't want to wake you.
We're from down here.
Right here. Yeah, I swear to God, we didn't want. We figured
Somebody
you guys were
threw
sleeping.
I'll go get it. And
Somebody threw my purse. You can see it. You can see it.
I'm
Watch.
sorry. I'm
Just
sorry.
watch. Just watch. He's gonna.
I don't.
No,
I
you
don't.
can leave.
No, my purse is in the yard.
Just call the cops and have them come get it from our yard.
Okay. All right. Sorry.
Like,
Won't
you
even-
can't just do that.
I didn't want to wake you.
We didn't want to wake you.
I don't give a.
I'm sorry. I
We have
apologize.
kids. This is not okay.
Okay,
I
well,
have dogs that bite.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I can let them out right now.
We were trying to be polite to you. That's all.
No, you weren't.
Yes, we were because all we
No,
were
you
doing
weren't.
was
Knock on somebody's door and you don't just
Right.
enter in their
But all
backyard.
your lights were off, so I figured you were sleeping.
That's
That's
not
the
how
only
you do
reason why.
this.
But that's the only reason why I did it that way.
Just call them.
Get out of our yard.
I'll get him. Come on.
I'm calling them right now.
Call him.
Watch your tone.
Just call him. That's fine. I'll wait. Listen, I'll wait here for them. I'll wait here for them.
But once tempers flare, it can go south fast.
I'll wait here.
Newark, Delaware. Imagine this. It's late at night. You step out onto your porch, and there are multiple large bears right there, searching for food. Situations like this are exactly why you keep kids and pets inside at night. No risks, no chances. Las Vegas, Nevada, 3:28 a.m.
Hello, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to make a lot of noise, but I am looking for a gentleman who looks like he's maybe in his 30s, early 20s.
At that hour? Yeah, it already feels a little off.
Hello, I am looking for a man who's like in his early 20s.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
So what do y'all think? Just a genuine mix-up or something more like a setup? Brooklyn, New York. This one's a hard lesson for any homeowner. Door gets left unlocked, it's after midnight, and this guy walks up, jiggles the handle, and realizes it's open. That's all it takes. He steps inside and helps himself. Yeah, who's leaving their door unlocked at that hour? Don't make it that easy.
And then we'll go from there.
I really don't want to do this.
You do.
Okay,
You want to be difficult.
Let's do this again.
This is such a.
I don't want to provide my identifying info. Do you have any information I've committed a crime?
Your dog was off leash
Allegedly.
and it allegedly bit someone.
Allegedly.
So
Fighting
we're gonna
him, get
try
evidence.
and see what we want to do here. There's no point in arguing with her anymore.
I have a meeting at 2, so.
Well, right now you're detained.
I'm just going to close the door. I don't feel comfortable.
No, you're not going to close the door. You're detained. You're detained. You wanted to escalate this.
to see if I could charge my phone. Like, I could like have it and like I wait out here or something. I just been walking. It's not like no gas stations or anything around here. It's kind of just like houses. There's just a bunch of houses. I've been walking for like miles.
Rahway, New Jersey. Why does it feel like so many late-night weirdos keep ending up at the wrong house?
Sorry.
People are out here trying to sleep, and you've got someone knocking, wandering, disturbing the peace for no reason.
I'm calling the police. Police is on the way.
What?
The police is on the way.
Sorry.
Yeah, nothing good ever starts with a midnight visit like that. Hialeah, Florida. This one's hilarious. 1 bike today, 3 court dates tomorrow. And just like that, plan canceled. He turns around and dips. Yeah, suddenly it wasn't worth it anymore. West Babylon, New York, around 5 a.m., and this one just feels off. This woman shows up asking for help, but she's wearing a mask, and the crying, it feels a little over the top. What do y'all think? Meanwhile, in Newark, Delaware, remember this one? Now let's see the full story. What was really going on here?
Yes?
I recently bad.
What you say?
Can you call somebody?
Say that again?
Sorry. I recently got into a bad situation at the Red Roof Inn. And I need to call somebody besides the police because they're not going to listen to me. Can you please help me?
Call who?
I want to call my.
I call 911.
No, please don't. Alright, please don't. I'll go away. Please don't. Oh my god. They're not gonna. Ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can I just. I did not have time to grab my phone. And I need to call somebody. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Ma'am, please don't. Please help me. It's bad. Please help me. Please not call. Okay, bye. I'm leaving.
So what do y'all think? Was she lying, or did she genuinely need help? Bronx, New York. This one's got that instant regret written all over it.
Oh, there you go. You have a package.
You can literally see the moment he realizes, yeah, I messed up. Gotta love a little instant karma, huh? Farmingdale, New York. Okay, 3 a.m. Pitch black. Everyone's asleep, and then ding dong.
You want to clean the driveways? Jimmy, you want to clean the driveway?
Like, hold on. First we had the midnight cat food salesman. Now we got the overnight driveway service. What is this, 24/7 random hustle hour? Nah, something ain't adding up here. Bronx, New York. This one's honestly serious, especially for parents and women walking home alone. If you ever feel like someone's following you, don't ignore it. Don't brush it off. One simple move, don't go straight home. You can also call someone, even pretend if you have to. Hey, I'm outside. Can you come down? That alone can make someone back off, because the last thing you want is someone figuring out exactly where you live. Trust your instincts. They're usually right. St. Paul, Minnesota. This one's a serious warning, especially for older homeowners. This guy goes door to door, telling people he's there to clean the yard.
Hello? No, not you.
How you doing, man? I'm going around seeing if I could do some, so I could get my hair cut I was wondering if y'all needed any.
No, I'm good. Thank you, man.
But later, it turns out the same guy used that exact story to rob elderly residents the same day. Bronx, New York. This guy's walking up with a sharp weapon in hand, trying to grab packages from the apartment. But then, the homeowner steps in and confronts him.
Yo, what are you doing?
Let's hear how this plays out.
Who that?
What's going on?
Are you doing some banging on the floor that's like
No, I don't do
interfering
nothing on no floor, bro. I'm
with my pipes
listen, we don't do none of that. Where you live at? You don't even live on this floor.
directly under you?
Well, anything, I don't do nothing with y'all underneath. I don't play games, bro. I don't got nothing to do with nothing down there, bro. And if, matter of fact, when I get off work, I'm gonna come knock on the door. You wanna holler? We can holler. That's what I wanna do, man. Because what you knocking on my door asking about some bacon. Please get away from my door, because I'm gonna call the cops on y'all. Y'all keep playing games with me, man. Get away from my door.
You talking like that and you gonna call the cops?
Yeah, because you're playing near my door. You damn right. You dropped your hat in front of my door. Whatever. Somebody dropped something in front of their door. I don't play that stuff.
North Las Vegas, Nevada. This lady shows up, rings the doorbell, then starts peeking through the window if you look closely. And here's the part that makes it feel off. There's a truck waiting nearby. Now is she just confused? Or is this some kind of setup? Yeah, that's a little too coordinated to ignore. Trenton, New Jersey.
Pues como lo siente. Pues si no lo siente, yo creo que tranquilo. ¿Qué hace el amor? Vamos, vamos. Pero si no lo siente, yo creo que prende el escape. Sí, pero al hombre igual arroja. Sí, no quita uno, ¿no? No vas a aspirar.
Yeah, not today, fellas. Amazing how fast the plan falls apart when they realize they're being watched. Hampton, Virginia. All right, this one might just restore a little faith in people. Homeowner says packages have been getting mixed up around the neighborhood, and instead of keeping it, this young man shows up and returns it himself.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I think this package belongs to you, ma'am. I thought it was mistakenly delivered to the wrong house.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Of course. I want to make sure it got to the right hand.
Thank you so much.
Okay?
Thank you. What is it?
Yeah, we need more of that energy. Hampton, Virginia. Around 1 a.m., officers show up, don't knock, don't ring the bell. They just go straight to the door handle and try to get in. Like, imagine being inside your home and someone suddenly trying your door like that. Turns out they were responding to an alarm, but at the wrong house. And that's the frustrating part. How do you not check the address when it's clearly listed? Newport News, Virginia? Check out this guy. Let's call him Midnight Help Me Harold.
Can I help you?
Yeah, man. I'm sorry to bother you, man. My van's like literally up the street right here. I ran out of gas. I wonder if you had a gas can by any chance. Like I'm literally stuck.
I do not, man. 7-Eleven's best try.
Yeah, I went there already. No luck with that. So thank you though.
Like Harold? Maybe try again in the daytime, buddy. Boynton Beach, Florida, around midnight. This lady knocks on the door, maybe asking for help. But here's the part that changes everything. She signals to someone standing off to the side. You can catch it if you look closely. So what do y'all think? Was this a setup or just a coincidence? Harvey, Louisiana. Oh yeah, this one's about to be real satisfying.
I'm coming.
Excuse me.
Yeah. I'll put these right here, boo. I was getting everything. Everything's good.
Why you keep coming over taking stuff?
Paterson, New Jersey. Aw, this one's funny already. Dude gets caught by the neighbor mid-steal, like red-handed. And instead of running, nah. This woman walks up and goes straight for the doorknob, tries it once, twice, a little harder. And then you can see it hit her, that oops moment. Like, wait, wrong house? Or, oh no, there's a camera? Yeah, you decide what was really going through her mind. St. Paul, Minnesota. Imagine this. You park your car at night, check the handle. Everything's locked and secure. You go to sleep thinking you're good. Then early morning, someone slides under your car and steals the catalytic converter. In and out like it's nothing. Yeah, these guys are getting real bold these days.
Edwin, it's Beth.
Huntington Station, New York. 1 a.m., people are asleep, and these two ladies are out here banging on the door and windows, yelling for Edwin. Like, there is no Edwin here. Seriously, how do you get the wrong house and still keep going like that? Knock once, realize the mistake, and leave. But no, they're treating it like a mission. Check the address first. Be responsible and let people sleep. St. Paul, Minnesota. Folks, grab your packages on time. Seriously. But if you can't be home, here's a few simple things that actually help. Set your delivery to a locker or pickup point. Ask a neighbor you trust to grab it, or even leave a note to place it in a hidden spot. Some people even schedule deliveries for when they're home, or use a package box on the porch. West Palm Beach, Florida. Late night.
I need to use a phone. I'll pay you.
No, I'm not opening it.
No, you good?
Don't open the door. If it's real, you can always call for help on their behalf. Maitland, Florida. Keep your bike chained up, folks, because someone like this, yeah, they'll take it real easy if it's just sitting there. Don't make it a free ride. And that's where we'll leave it. Like and subscribe if you want more of these. And thanks for any super thanks support. Catch you next time.